Hey guys, welcome to another ZS Sport technical session. We're trying out a new filter here which changes the color of the bottom of the iMac, but nonetheless, this is a 21-inch iMac, 21.5-inch iMac. It's a 2017 model, and what we're going to be doing with this machine over here is we're going to be replacing the current normal mechanical drive or fusion drive with an SSD and 32 gigs of RAM. So these are really powerful machines. They don't cost too much compared to some of the other iMacs, certainly your M1 machines, which are sort of a little bit under spec and quite expensive at that price. So if you've got a machine like this, you want to do an upgrade, of course we do the spare parts for these as well. So we can assist with anything that you need on that side. Ciao for now.